Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can hide country in your Steam app. So guys, if you're trying to hide your country in Steam but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to just open your app, and once you're in the app, just look at the top right corner where you can see your avatar. So if you have not added an avatar yet, you would find a question mark icon over there, so just go ahead and tap there. And now you can find a bunch of options regarding your account, your friends, your groups, and many more. So you just need to look at your profile. So in order to do that, you can just tap on view profile, which is right at the top. Just go ahead and tap there, and now again tap on edit profile, which is right here. Tap on it, and now scroll down till you find the location option, and right under you can find country. Just go ahead and tap there. So if you have set a certain country, let's say Afghanistan, and you want to hide it, then just go ahead and tap there again, and right at the top you can find do not display. So if you just tap there, you'd be able to hide your country. So guys, that's how you hide country in Steam. Hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.